An analytic model usually has multiple measures. When you want to use the same calculation or restriction for your measures in your analysis, you don't need to create a formula calculation for each measure, but you can rather use structures. Structures help you to save time and ensure consistency in your calculations. Let's say you want to restrict your measures to different locations. To do this, I create structure members, one for Germany and one for the rest of Europe. In the Properties panel of my analytic model, in the section Structure Members, I choose Add Structure Member and then Restricted Structure Member. I enter a name and an expression to restrict to Germany. I create a second restricted structure member to restrict to the rest of Europe. When you create a structure member, an empty restriction member measure value is created, which is a restricted structure member without any restriction applied. This can be used in formulas, and is also available for the drill down. It represents the unrestricted measure value of the given cell. In case your analytic model has also measures beside the structure, you can define how the calculations should be prioritized. In the collision handling configuration, you can define if the calculation of measures should be prioritized or the calculation of structure members. However, as there is only the structure, we don't need to do this here. I save my model. I open the data preview. I drill down on country and the structure members. For each dimension, the data is drilled down for each member. Here, you can also see the unrestricted measure value of the empty restriction member measure_value, which shows all the values. So for the country Germany, I don't get any values for the rest of Europe, and for the countries Great Britain and Spain, I don't get any values for Germany. And that's it. For more information, check out help.sap.com. Thanks for watching.